Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to create your own Kahoot quiz game on PC. Whether it's for school, work, or just fun with friends, this is super easy and completely free. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open any web browser on your computer and go to kahoot.com. This is the official Kahoot website. Now, if this is your first time, click Sign Up or Start for Free at the top right corner. You'll need to create an account. Choose your account type teacher, student, or personal. It doesn't really matter which one you pick because the features are the same. Okay, you can sign up with your email and create a password, or just click Continue with Google for a faster setup. I'll use Google. Now, after creating the account, you're on your Kahoot dashboard. Click Create at the top right, then select Kahoot or New Kahoot to start. Select the blank canvas option to begin from scratch. You'll see a blank quiz page. Type your first question in the question box. For example, what is 2 plus 2? Then add answer options below. You can add up to 4 answers. Click on the correct answer to mark it. You can also add images or videos by clicking the plus icon in the middle. To add more questions, click Add at the left side. You can choose question types like multiple choice, true or false, or others. And that's it. Your Kahoot quiz is ready to play. Share your Kahoot quiz with others and have fun. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.